Welcome, from my is a OPPO A91, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, open up the content that you wish to capture, which for me I'm just gonna use the app tray right here. And once it's open, you will have to hold the power key and volume down. You get this image and the screenshot is captured. Now there is also another way, I think, by doing 3-finger slide down like so. And another thing you can do with screenshots is if you go into, for instance, somewhere where we have scrollable page, which this isn't. Let's see if I'm connected to Wi-Fi. So let's see something that will, and there we go, there is scrollable content. So once you have some scrollable content and you capture a screenshot, you will have this option. There we go, a long screenshot, and when you tap on it, it will start scrolling it down. So you can see, you can keep scrolling till you want to stop. So you could theoretically keep scrolling, and once you're satisfied, you just tap on done. And there we go, as you can see, this is the screenshot that I have captured. So it's a fairly long one, and both or all three images can be now found in your photo gallery. So let's just go on here, albums, screenshots, and there's the normal one, there's the other normal one, and there's the super long one, as you can see. So that is how you would capture a screenshot in a couple different ways. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.